Today we want to discuss the first lecture of class 9th, which is about the matrices. Matrices Matrices is the plural of word matrix, and this was firstly introduced by this is by Arthur Cayley. The definition of the matrix is the rectangular arrangement of the numbers and rows and columns is known as matrix. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Consider the matrix B as 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 1, 0, 1 and 3, 4, 1, 0. In this case, this is the horizontal line, and this horizontal line is known as row, and this is the vertical line, and this is known as column. The order of the matrix mean row multiplied by column. So if there is m row and there is n column, then the order will be m cross n. And suppose this is the matrix 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, there are 3 rows, and the columns are 3. So you can write that the order is 3 cross 3. In this case, for example, this is B, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7. So there are 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So the order is 2 cross 4. The every number in matrix is known as entity. It means in this there are 8 entities. In this matrix A, there are 9 entities. If you want to find the entities, for entities you can write matrix in general form A11, A12, A13, A1n, A21, A22, A23, and A2n, AN1, AN2 up to ANN. So this is the n cross n matrix. Every entity A11 mean there are two subscript. One is 1 1, one is this and another is this. The first one show the row and the second one show the column. For example, if we write the 3 4, so a 3 4 mean the entity in row 3 and column 4, so which is equal to, this is 1 2 3. इस रो में it will be the 4, 1 2 3 4. Here is the entity. This entity will be a 3 4. So these are called entities, and every entity can be represented by small letters, and the small letter have two subscript. One show the row and another show the column. There are types of the matrix. Number 1 is called row matrix. By row matrix we mean the matrix which contain only one row. For example, A is equal to 1 4 3 2, B is equal to 1 0 0 0 1, C is equal to 3 1 2 0 1 5. All these three, this is the 1 cross 4, this is the 1 cross 5, this is the 1 cross 6 matrix. Mean it has only one row and its column can be changed 4 5 6. It can be 2, 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, 1 cross 4, etc. These all are called row matrix. From this we can conclude that it has only one row. So the general order will be 1 cross n. The matrix of order 1 cross n is known as row matrix. A matrix which contains only one row is known as row matrix, and its order will be 1 cross 1, 1 cross 2, 1 cross 3, etc. For example, this is a row matrix, this is a row matrix, this is a row matrix, because all these have only one row. So in general we say that 1 cross n matrix is known as row matrix. The second one is called column matrix. What is mean by column matrix? Column matrix is that matrix which contain only one row, one column. For example, A is the matrix 1 2, B is the matrix 3 2 1. See the matrix 3 2 0 1 etc. So it contains 1 2 2 rows, so 2 cross 1 column. It contains 1 2 3 3 cross 1. It contains 1 2 3 4 rows, so 4 cross 1. So we can, from this we conclude that it have many rows but its column will be 1. So it is the n cross 1. So the matrix of order n cross 1. So the matrix of order n cross 1 is known as column matrix. This is all about today class. In this class we study the definition of the matrix and column of the matrix, row of the matrix. Also we study the order of the matrix, some information about entities, and we study the two types, row matrix and column matrix. The next types will be we will study in coming class. Thank you.